Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing mandatory documents and confirming the building facts. This saves time. Once done, create or log into the Tamil Nadu Fire Department e-service portal and select the Fire Safety Certificate or NOC application. Fill owner and property details first: owner name, plot number, occupancy class, built-up area, and upload clear PDFs of Aadhaar and site plan. Make sure file names are short and accurate because rejected files slow the process. You're now ready to move into the detailed technical section. Now focus on the technical fields. You must state firefighting installations, hydrants, sprinklers, extinguishers, alarms, and give capacities and locations. Upload the building plan, sectional drawings, electrical layout, and water supply details. These show compliance. Once you add consultant or contractor details and initials on the compliance checklist, review each item for accuracy. If other department NOCs are required, attach them now. Double-check measurements and units. Inaccuracies cause inspection failures and delay the certificate issuance. Finish by paying the prescribed online fee and saving the transaction ID. This links the payment to your application. Once paid, the department will either allow you to schedule a site inspection or assign one. Make sure you or your engineer are present with original documents and printed plans. After inspection, check the portal regularly for status and download the issued fire safety certificate. If the application is flagged or rejected, use the remarks to correct documents, re-upload, and request re-inspection immediately to avoid further delays.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.